over 100 pumps in Denton, Texas. And we're going into the Buc ees. Buc ees, Buc ees, Buc ees, Buc ees. If you want to buy that hat, it's 25 bucks. They have that one there, and they have that one there, and they have those Justins over there.
Oh, I think I like that one there.
That one? Let me take a picture. Check out on the way here at Buc ees. So we got hats.
Employment.
Oh yeah, it's $18 to $20 an hour. $18 to $20 an hour. Yeah, you get the 401k with 100% match at 6%. 100% match at 6% here at Buc ees. Woo. So we're gonna go sit in the car and eat our pulled pork. Pulled pork is now $7.48, which used to be $4.80, and now it's $7.48. Sweet sugar fudge, turkey pulled pork. Would you rather have the turkey pulled pork? Yeah, this is the regular pork. We are leaving the State Bridge. Where right now it's 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. Central Time, and the temperature is 96 degrees here. We're gonna go over to Rosa Cafe. Have dinner, Mexican. All right, we're gonna go to Rosa Cafe, Tortilla Factory. So, we're gonna try this chain Mexican restaurant, Rosa Cafe, here in Fort Worth, Texas. Fossil Creek. You want to go to the closed for today. Yeah, so this is the entrance of Rosa's Tortilla Factory. This is the Rosa's Cafe. You have to order over there, then they bring it there, and we pick it up and bring it to the table, which is here, and that's it. So you order from the front, and then you pick it up and bring it over to the table. This is the salsa bar, so you can fix your iced tea here with this. Lemons, onions, salsa, relish, salsa, butter, and spicy salsa. Alright, so there's our chips and salsa, which we don't know if we pay for them or not. And dinner, we asked, they don't tell us. And I'm gonna go get an ice. So everything in this place is automated. The salsa bar, the drink bar. You go order, you bring it to your table. Everything is sort of a self-serve thing. You have to pay with a debit card, so there's no cash exchange. It's crazy. It's a cashless joint. Well, almost. And it'll be automated, like robots will be operating this thing. That's what will happen here at Rosa's Cafe, Tortilla Factory. So 2 dinners and 2 drinks come out to $26.71 here at Rosa Cafe and Tortilla Factory. Rosa's Cafe and Tortilla Factory. All right, let's go.